In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious peanut butter banana smoothie recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of peanut butter, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 banana, 1 cup of ice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. In a blender, add the bananas, yogurt, peanut butter, and the honey, and blend until completely smooth. Once blended, add in the ice and continue blending until the ice is completely crushed. We're going to pour our smoothie out into a glass. Our peanut butter banana smoothie is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.